Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today, yes, it's another decluttering video. I'm actually doing a full house declutter. Basically, I'm just going to be doing a little bit by little bit as I can, just because I have had my daughter for almost 6 weeks. Yes, her dad's been really sick, so yeah, he usually has her every second weekend, and I haven't had that time to myself. So to be really honest, I'm feeling very overwhelmed and stressed because I feel like I've just got so much to do, and I just can't get on top of it. Just because, like, obviously when Tahlia is not with me, I get a lot of stuff done that I can't do when she's there. So that is just where I'm at, and often when I do feel that way, the best thing for me, I feel like, is just to declutter and have a really clean and clear space. So when I open my drawers and stuff, I feel like it just makes me feel good. So anything that can make me feel good and less stressed is always a winner for me in my eyes.
You're my caffeine in the morning, got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
So now that the drawers are all decluttered, it's just time to move on to the other space and just put things back to where they belong, and to also do a small declutter in there also. I don't know about you guys, but I always like to have a little bit of a declutter before Christmas, just because I know I'm going to be getting lots of things in my house, so it's nice to make room for anything that does come in, and also just to get rid of anything that is not serving me well.
You don't have to say anything, I don't want you to think too much.
This is how we're looking on this side. I need to construct this for some of the stationery so she can take that around the house, and we don't have clutter piles. Over here is some of the items that I want to sell, so I'm going to put them all together in a pile and just advertise them all together. So I'm only waiting around for like a couple of days, not all week. And then I have a big decluttered bag from everything in here. This is literally just rubbish. I've actually got one in here as well, which is all the clothes and stuff that I've already decluttered. And this is how this zone is looking. So much better. And then over here, I've just put some of the stationery items that were just taking up all the drawer space that can be used for the blackboard area. So that is so much better in the drawers and stuff now. Okay, that is one room down, the next room to go. I've had these in my cupboard since forever and a day. I'm literally probably sitting here meaning to put them on this bed. And it's all done.
And you're done!
Now, the first aid kit is something I often forget about. Tahlia has one in her own room just for her personal stuff. No, she cannot get to it, and pretty much majority of it has child locks on it anyway. But yeah, I just find it easier for ourselves, because late at night, if she's upset because she's got, you know, her tummy sore or something like that, I can just get to it straight away, and I know exactly where all her things are. Moving on into this bathroom area, I know there is definitely stuff that I need to declutter in here that has been in here since like the turn of the day. Like, stuff's even falling out. Shame, right? This fake tan remover, I don't even know. It expired it says 2012. Is it? Surely I haven't had it for that long, right? I don't think I've had that for that long. Anyway. I hope not. It looks pretty new. I don't think I've really ever used it, maybe once. So let's jump into this area. That is just like cardboard, man.
You always find me here when the world thinks that
So this is my all things skin product, and then in the back I've got my face washes.
Just where to look, and you have a heart of gold.
I know this doesn't look neat and tidy, but It's decluttered, believe it or not.
To growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll
Up here I've just got backups of everything. So I've got some bath bombs, Q-tips, and cotton balls, and then in under here is just all my heating irons so that I actually don't really use them. Like, it's more if I go to a wedding or something, I might use it, that's about it. And this one here has an empty spot in it, which I do often leave like cleaning cloths on here and a cleaner in here.
oh, I'll say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do.
This is such a gorgeous colour. It's a beautiful inoxa one, but the smell is so strong, like real perfumey. I can't even wear it. Don't know if anyone else has that problem with lipstick, but yeah, next time I'm definitely going to go and smell before I buy, which sounds weird, but I will be. Yes, I do keep one of my skincare in my makeup bag just because I put it under my makeup, it's just easier. And I pretty much wear everything that is in here, so I'm not going to declutter maybe this one because it's actually pretty old, so I'll get rid of that. This one here is just a, oh, it's still got a tag on it. I'm so bad at taking tags off. Is a backups and makeup bag. So I often buy, like, see that was on sale. So these are sort of the things that I buy on sale or I don't wear every day. So pop that in there. My everyday one on top. And my QV moisturizer as well. Yes, I do use this on my under my makeup as well. So I'm going to keep it with my makeup rather than my All Things Skin, so I know where it is. I like to have all the stuff that I use together. And that is that. So the All Things Skin basket did grow because I found some bits up on the top when I was doing stuff, so that's grown a little bit. I'm really happy with this declutter in here today. It just looks so much better. And I know now that I definitely need bobby pins because this morning I was looking for one that I ended up, I've got a little kid's hair clip in my hair today, so definitely don't have any bobby pins. And this is everything that's been decluttered today. You can see, sorry guys, we are renovating at the moment, so there's dust everywhere. So I'm actually skipping my clean today this week of all things. It would be surprising because there's dust everywhere. Because I just don't see the point in doing it when I'm literally about to do the sanding again tomorrow. So yeah, I thought I'd be better use of my time just to try and declutter everything. Then that way, when things get like dusty and dirty and stuff, I've already decluttered everything. And you know, I might even have some space in my wardrobe and stuff like that to put away some of the things so I don't have as much to clean. So I'm happy to say that I've went through all my clothing already. Normally what I do is I just go through and just cull anything that looks a bit worn, a bit faded, that I haven't, like, don't really reach to, and then I usually leave it at that. But this time I've actually went that bit a step further and I've picked out the things, well, I pretty much tried on most of my wardrobe, and if it doesn't make me feel good and it doesn't suit me, then I have gotten rid of it. And there's some pieces in there, even though I really love them, I don't know if I'll ever fit them again. So yes, there's probably only 2 pieces that I've actually kept because they almost fit. I can do them up and everything fine, but they just don't look that good on me. So I am going to the gym. So yeah, I have kept them because I'm hoping to get, you know, just feel that bit better and be able to wear them again. So yes, that part is done. And I'm just going to go on to the other parts of my wardrobe. So up the top there, you can see all my little boxes that are labeled. And they're all full of Christmas gifts. So I'm not going through those at all today because somebody is in the house watching TV out there, so I can't go through those, but I will probably just go through them after Christmas, to be really honest. And this is how my clothing area is looking, so I'm really happy with that. There's not, like, this is literally all my clothes except for my knitwear, so that's pretty much it. So happy with this cull, and I forgot that I even bought this. This is this season's. I forgot that I even bought it. I probably bought it a month ago, and I think I've already replaced it, but it is really gross in there. Like, I do need to wash it out when I get the time to go through everything. I also did the laundry not long ago and this study nook in the room as well. So I'm actually not going to tackle those either today because I have not long done those. I am really skeptical on the cookbooks because I have been going to the gym, so I think I might have a really good look through them and then pick out some pages of things I'm going to cook, and the ones I just know that I'll never reach to definitely will end up being decluttered. Tahlia and I not long ago just did a toy declutter. There wasn't a lot gone, to be really honest, and I know there's some things that she never really plays with, so I am going to, unfortunately on her, declutter those because honestly she won't notice that they're even gone, so I'm going to do that. But yes, all these big things are definitely going. I find that nowadays that if it doesn't fit inside these baskets, it just doesn't come into my home, unfortunately, because I have some massive toys already, and I think enough is enough and you've got to put your foot down at some stage. I do hope to see you guys all next week with a new video. I can't guarantee anything because of just the situation I'm in at the moment, and I am still working on my kitchen as well, and I want to release those videos all together, and there's going to be a lot of editing to do, so just bear with me. I am still around, and I will catch up with you as soon as I can, hopefully next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.